Yeah. I think fifth document is totally not done, it seems, as per my knowledge. Let me check. Intra communication between what? Microservices. Yes, guys. To see communication between two microservices, both microservices must be published to Eureka server. The MS that provides services is called what? Provider or server or producer or parent service. The MS that consumes the service is called what? Consumer or client or what? Child service. Are you getting my point there, guys? That's good. Now tell me here, where is the story, guys? Yeah. What is this? A provider MS is published to Eureka server na boss. That is A. B. Consumer MS is also published to Eureka server. Okay. C. Now listen. Consumer MS contacts the Eureka server. Try to get what? Provider MS instance na, my dear. Using that instance, it invokes the endpoints of provider MS. Then communication start by sending the request by getting the response. A. Publishing of both. C. Source MS contact a server, gets the provider MS service instance, my dear. Okay. D and F, using that service instance, source MS will communicate with provider MS for communication or not there by sending request and by getting a response. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? See, cart service and payment service. Cart means shopping cart. After adding all the items, we go for payment or not there. Next, employee service and what? Department service. Employee want to use services of department. Cart service and billing. Are before payment we have to go for billing or not there. So generally the consumer and provider application will be represented as shown below. Child side one diamond operator will be used, diamond symbol, to tell that it's a child. Payment service and card side they will use what? No, a diamond symbol. Doctor and patient. Here provider to consumer interaction and consumer to provider interaction to what? Eureka server. Check it out. See, guys. Eureka server both are published. In Eureka server, both are published or not there. Okay, see the beauty. This can become source, can consume the services of the consumer. This can become client, can consume the services of the provider. So anyone can consume any services or not there. Both way services consumption is possible or not there. Both ways services consumption possible or not possible again. Say something might. I want reply, guys. Okay, now tell me. SOA style intra communication. What is SOA style, guys? Service oriented architecture style intra communication. Yeah, one is service consumer, other one is what? Service provider. Here is my what? Registry. Here is my what? Registry. But in this problem, what you know? Forever this is provider, forever this is consumer. Only provider WSDL document. So only one-way communication is possible. Do you think here two-way communication is possible, guys? It's like between you and me, right? You should always consume my services. I never try to consume your services. You have any services to consume? Huh? One day you will be having, don't worry. See, again I'm saying, in corporate world or software industry, no permanent gurus, no permanent sishyas. It's all about exchanging the knowledge. Today I know few things which you don't know. Tomorrow you may know few things which I don't know. and things will change drastically, guys, right? Dynamically. So it's all about sharing. Why software companies believe in teamwork? No one can be perfect in everywhere, right? They believe in teamwork so that project will go ahead, even though multiple people are good in multiple aspects. Got it? Fine. Don't keep such kind of there. Forest is an ego problem. Learning is continuous process, right? So tomorrow you may need to learn from your junior, or junior need to learn from sub junior. Or you seniors and senior need to teach something to you. It's a teamwork, guys. Right? Okay. Sometimes what happens, existing project completed, that is in legacy technology. Since project completed, move to new process. You are already 7, 8 years experience, but new project is in new technology. Okay, they recruit one youngster who is good in that new technology. So sometimes you need to take training for that seniors. No option at all. Getting my point there, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is like what? Team members. Sometimes you will teach, sometimes other member will teach. It's all about. But this is purely faculty student communication are not there. Here, any MS can become provider MS or consumer MS. In the given situation, the MS can become both what? Provider and consumer. Here, only provider service will be published. Consumer service will never be published because it does not have any, what is that? Anything to publish basically, right? In the intra-communication of microservices, through Eureka server, consumer client child MS should find and get details of what? Provider produce server MS by submitting its what? Service ID. For this, consumer MS must use one special helper component called what? Client component or client type component. Client component or what? Client type component. It is helper or supporting component in consumer application. What this helper component will do or client component will do? Submit provider MS service ID to Eureka server. Gets the service instant. Okay, it will gather more details about that service instance. Somehow it will arrange endpoint details. Then passes those details to REST template. Template will REST template will invoke what? Provider MS details are not there. Provider MS endpoint details are not there, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay, getting producer MS service instance from Eureka server by submitting its what? Service ID. Gathers producer MS details like what? URL, URI, method type, path, etc. from service instance. Passing above details to REST template of consumer MS to make REST template to send what? HTTP request to producer MS and to receive HTTP response from what? Provider MS. Now tell me, as of now, in Eureka server environment, three types of client components are possible or not there. What are those, guys? Discovery client, load balancer client, fin client. Discovery client, load balancer client, and what? Fin client. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah. Okay. This is what we are discussing from the beginning, my dear. Come on. Yeah. Discovery client, load balancer client, fin client. What's the best client component, guys? Fin client. Okay, now I have highlighted client component here. Check it out. Yeah, this is consumer MS, which is a REST controller, which is having client component. What is doing? Client component calls find method or some other method, submitting a service instance of what? Target MS. Fine. B. It is getting target MS details are not there. Service instance. From that instance, it will gather more details. URL and other thing, endpoint details it will gather, passes all the details to REST template. REST template will invoke the endpoint method of provider MS, and provider MS will give the result, and those result will come back to REST template or not there. Okay, that means this helper component is very useful or not there. So for modularity purpose, we will try to develop this client component as a separate class in consumer MS or not there. Okay, for modularity purpose, we try to develop client component outside what? Consumer MS as a separate class. We link with what? Consumer MS. And consumer MS means REST controller. We don't write client component code inside the REST controller. We keep inside the consumer MS class. Okay. In consumer MS project, separate class. Application name given in MS project becomes what? Service ID. If we run the MS for multiple time, then we need to give what? Multiple instance ID. If the application or service is having only one instance, the service ID itself becomes what? Instance ID. The service ID becomes what? Instance ID. How do you create multiple instances of what? One MS, nothing but what? Microservice. Okay, we try to change the port number time to time by giving different instance IDs are not there. By giving this instance ID, develop MS having multiple instance ID is taken, and develop the REST controller. That's good. So we are going to change the port number time to time now, my dear. Run Eureka server, run MS project multiple time and change the port number. Time to time we are changing port number or not there. As we are changing port number, multiple instances are created and they are reflecting in the Eureka server list or not there. Fine. Okay. Now, what is there? Session 5? No. Spring guys, 1103. 1103 cloud microservices. Every time, what is this headache? List. What is there? Session 6. What is there? Session 6. Okay. Total how many client components are there? 3 are there. See the complete diagram. Front-end application is giving request to consumer MS. Number 1. Okay. Consumer MS takes the request, passes to client component. Number 3. Client component connects to what? Eureka server. Number 4, it finds a target MS service instance, gathers it. Number 5, okay, from there it will gather multiple details about endpoints. Number 6, those details are passed to what? REST template. Number 7, REST template will invoke what? Services of the provider MS. Number 9, 8, 9. Okay, endpoint executes in the target MS. Okay, that will give response, that will give result. That is 10. That result is passed to whom, guys? REST controller from REST template. And REST controller will pass to what? Front end application. That is number 12. Okay, guys, right. Okay, now I would like to develop one example application or not there. Total how many projects we are going to take, guys? 3 projects. Total how many projects we are going to take, guys? 3 projects. Pros 1, Pros 2, Pros 3. Total 3 projects. Understand the statement? Fine. So now what I do is I will take one billing MS, target MS, shopping MS as a this child MS. I want to see communication between these two things through Eureka server. Eureka server, I don't want to develop every day. Maybe, okay, already there we can take it in, but we are in the initial days of learning now. To today, I'll develop Eureka server one more time from scratch level, only for null sake. Next all the times we use existing one only. And once, what is that? Shopping MS and billing MS. Shopping MS and what? Billing MS. 1103 guys, launch it. Close all editors, guys. Close all editors. That's good. File. What is there? What is there, guys? Spring Starter project. Spring Starter project. Boot MS Pros 2. What is there? Boot MS Pros 2. Eureka server. Eureka server. I think we better to work with embedded only, right? Yeah. Spring Boot Cloud. Say next. Yeah. What is there? Eureka server starter you have to add or not? Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Here is my Eureka server. Yeah. Boot MS Pros. Where is this? Yeah, this one. Eureka server. That's good. com.nt.this. com.nt.this. Tell me. At the rate enable Eureka server. That's good. Go to application.properties, guys. Eureka server port number. Server.port. Recommended is 876. Nothing else. Next one. Disable some default property. Disable the default property values. Tell me. Eureka dot client dot. Tell me. Register with Eureka. Better to keep false. Eureka dot client dot. Eureka dot client dot. Tell me. Fetch registry. False. That's it. With this, Eureka server will be ready or not there. Already we have seen the explanation for them. What is the explanation? From Spring Cloud project, they come up with the value true. If you try to keep true, you will get exception while running the server. Okay, for example, I kept it true wantedly, and you try to run this Eureka server having true. It's this one. Second one, yeah. Right click, tell me, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah. Okay, now let's see. Eureka server is run. No, we are not getting exception, but let's see where it is really running or not. 8761. 8761. See, Eureka server registered with Eureka server. Is there any sense in that? Eureka server registered with what? Eureka server. Are you getting my point? Purchasing street from street shop and giving to street shop owner only. ऐसा no na. I think there's an old movie. I don't know how many of you remembered or not. If possible, Kamal Hassan movie Guna is there. There's one interesting scene. General, whenever this kind of situation comes, I generally recollect that movie. Hero is beautiful. Hero is waste fellow. Okay. Hero is what? Waste fellow. Hero and heroine is educated, good looking, royal family, and this fellow is waste fellow. Somehow he falls in love with that girl. He kidnaps. She keeps in some forest remote area. Heroine, okay, guy likes me, he won't harm me as long as if I also act, I am liking. Okay, fine. So there once is there. What is the situation? Hero is illiterate. He cannot write. Okay, he cannot read. But he has desire of giving love letter to heroine. In the kidnap, those two members there. So what he okay, you write love letter on behalf of me and you only read. ऐसा no na. And we are in the situation or not there. Eureka server registered in what? Eureka server. I think in that situation, where one popular song is there. I think in Telugu, right? Okay. So same situation has come here. Did you notice that, guys? Similar situation you have in print writer PW is equal to RES get writer. Observe that one also. Print writer is a stream pointing response object, but collected from where? Response object. Observe very carefully. Get writer, that means get writer is called object, response object. So print writer stream is coming from where? Response object. Pointing to where? Using stream, if I write anything, where it goes? That means stream collected from response object and use it to write content to response object. Interesting or not there? Okay, while nowadays I'm not teaching advanced Java. When I teach that statement, print writer PW is equal to get writer. Stream is collected from response object and that stream destination is response object. If I use that stream to write anything, that also goes to what? A response object. The same situation are not there. You write letter off of me and you only read. ऐसा होना guys. Thing. Purchase a sheet from sweet shop and give to what? Sweet shop owner. Same situation has come or not there, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Still, there are people who is crazy about writing letters and reading letters. Fine. Okay. Let's come back to the subject, guys. Mm. Yeah, total three things. So that's why it is really bad practice or not, guys. So that's why what is the right value to place, my dear? Huh? False. Here is what? False. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So we are ready with Eureka server. Now I have to develop one target MS and one consumer MS, guys. File, new, Spring Starter project. File, new, Spring Starter project. Boot MS Pros 2. Billing MS. What is this? Target MS. Say next. Okay. Now, first of all, I want to see this one as, yeah, what happened? Gone, huh? Gone. Spring Starter project, billing MS. What is this? Target MS. I'm taking billing MS, which is target MS. That's good. Say next. What is there, guys? Huh? First, we have to add Spring Web, na? Okay. Otherwise, we cannot develop RESTful web service, right? Then I have to add Eureka server, na, Eureka client, discovery client. Yeah, discovery client for two reasons. Client component is discovery client, and moreover, every MS should be registered with Eureka server means also discovery client is required or not required. So we are adding for two reasons. Two reasons. Okay. Dev tools don't add. If you have a thought of taking multiple instances, dev tools don't add. Save finish. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, guys, billing MS, target MS. Com.nt, billing MS this. Yeah, first of all, what I do? Target MS port number. I'm trying to give target MS port number or not there. Server dot port, how much? 4041. Okay, otherwise we'll give 909. 9090. URL to register with URL to register with what server? Eureka server. URL to register with what server, guys? Eureka server. Yeah, tell me. Eureka dot client dot Eureka dot client dot service URL dot what is there? Default to zone. What's the zone, guys? Default to zone. HTTP colon localhost HTTP colon localhost. Tell me. 8761/Eureka. What's there, guys? /Eureka. Tell me. That's enough. It will be registered again. But I have to make this one as discovery client or not there. @enable discovery client. That's good. Yeah, I'm creating some packages here, guys. New package com.nt.rest. REST MS com.nt.ms. Okay. Okay, I'm taking what? Billing operations. Billing operations MS control. Billing operations MS controller. Otherwise, billing operations MS. Billing operations MS. Yeah. Let's make it @REST controller. @request mapping. Here is what? Billing API. What API, guys? Billing API. Okay, that's good. Billing API. Public, tell me. Response entity string. Right now, I'm not so serious about application. Right now, no worry about business logic, guys. Okay, what is there? Do billing. What is there, guys? Do billing. Tell me. Do billing. Here is what? @get mapping. Okay, we'll take what? Get mapping. Okay, tell me, guys. Calc bill. Calc bill. Some request path. Okay, fine, boss. What I do is slash price one. Let's take along with parameters because it has to do something now, boss. Price one, price two. Mm. Okay, let us assume we are going for two items prices only. Okay. Okay. Discount percent. Discount percent. Okay, something is given there, right? Given or not given? Maybe in the paintbrush without parameters will be there, but you prepare with parameters only. Otherwise, we can do one more thing, guys. We will take price list. We'll take a list collection. I may give one price, I may give three prices, you may give 10 prices. Are you getting my point, guys? Yeah, tell me. Discount percent. Yeah, tell me, guys. @path variable. I'm making application bit dynamic. Yeah. @path variable. List double. What is there? Price list. List double price list. Tell me. @path variable. Double. What is there, guys? Double. Discount percent. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Public response. What is there? Do billing. Public response entity string do billing. Public response entity string, do billing. Here, calculate what amount, guys? Bill amount. We have to think about calculating bill amount or not there. We have to think about calculating bill amount or not there. Super, guys. Tell me now, where is the story, guys? Where is the story? The story is we have to get the bill amount. Double, what is there? Bill amount is equal to 0.0. 0.0. Tell me. Price list dot for each. Price list dot for each. Price list dot for each. What is there? P. Okay. Bill amount is equal to bill amount plus P. Yeah, bill amount is equal to bill amount plus P. What's happening? Bill amount. Local variable bill amount is must be final or effectively final. Okay, for each they are not allowing Ra Babu. They are not allowing for each. Okay, fine. Mhm. Is there any provision to get the sum of the elements through lambda? Sum of the elements through lambda. Is it possible? Let me check. New idea has come. Yeah, tell me. Double bill amount is equal to. Let's try. Okay. Price list dot stream dot. Any manipulation stream na boss? Price list dot stream dot start map only na or sum is there? Sum is not there. Sum is not there, no doubt. Map is there. Map will collect, but I want to do sum of those elements. Okay, fine. Why to waste my brain, Ra? Wait. Why to waste my brain? Okay, let me try because I never tried earlier. Okay. How to get sum of the list double element values using what is there? Stream API, right? Using stream API. Let's see possible or not possible. Is there Ramayana? A map to double is there, na? See, list is having element, stream, map to double. Each iteration, one double value is coming. Lastly, sum method. After map, sum is there. Fine. Okay. So that's why. And you know something is possible, but you don't know syntax. Just ask something to do. Okay. Stream dot. What is this? Map to double, guys. Double colon value. Each time value or price. Double colon. Okay. Dot sum. Dot sum. Why it is not coming, guys? Why it is not coming? Yeah. Yeah. In double class, listen, price is not a variable. Method you have to specify. How to convert wrapper double into simple double? Double value. One method is there or not there? Double value, one method is there. Sum. The double value is not just variable, right? It's a method. Okay. If wrapper double is converted into simple double and it is doing some of the elements are not there. Interesting logic, my dear. Okay, that's good. We got the bill amount. Okay, we need to calculate final bill amount also, guys. Okay. Double final bill amount. final bill amount. Tell me what? What's the final bill amount I have to pass, guys? Bill amount minus bill amount into discount percent by 100.0. We are ready with the discount percentage or not there? Okay. So I have to just display what is the bill amount there or not there. Okay. Return response entity object. Return response entity object, guys. Tell me. Return new response entity string. New response entity string. What is there? Bill amount. What is the word I am using? Final bill amount. Final bill amount. What is there? Final bill amount. HTTP status dot HTTP status dot OK. I hope you are getting my point there or not there. HTTP status dot OK, guys. Fine. Like this, we are ready with the target MS here or not there. Okay, we are ready with the target MS. Fine. Target MS, we need not to have any consumer, guys. Okay, that's good. So now, shall we go for consumer MS now, guys? Consumer MS development, my dear. Come on. File, tell me next one. New Spring Starter project. File new. What is there, guys? Spring Starter project. Yeah, tell me, guys. New Spring Starter project. Yeah, focus. Now the actual story begins here, right? Because not only consumer I want to develop, I want to go for it. Yeah, tell me. Boot pros, shopping a cart MS. I'll take car, shopping cart to be more precise. Shopping cart MS. Where is this? Consumer MS. What MS, guys? Consumer MS. Maven jar 21 Java Spring Boot Cloud. Say next. Discovery client is required. Web is required. Sir, in server also you have taken discovery client. Array, that is to register with Eureka server. This is for both angles. This is for both angles. Here is my what? Spring Web. Say next. Say finish. Consumer MS is ready now, guys? Yeah. Go to this application dot properties. Yeah. Consumer MS port. Server dot port 8081. Don't use 8080, it's already busy. Okay. Consumer MS port. URL to register consumer MS with Eureka server. URL to register consumer MS with what? Eureka server. Tell me. Eureka dot client dot service URL dot default to Joe. Service URL dot default to Joe. HTTP colon localhost colon 8761 slash Eureka. We are ready with this? Right. Okay. Arey, go to this guys. This I am taking as not there. I may take multiple instances in future. This is going to be service ID. Okay, I'll just take name as what? Billing MS, nothing else. I want to have instance ID, guys. What is there? Eureka dot. Instance ID. I just want to make this one as dollar. Dollar only na? Spring dot application dot name colon name colon. Wait, I just want to have server dot port. I want to have port number also in the instance. Colon. What is there? Okay. A dollar is there in that. A dollar is not there. Yeah. Dollar. Placeholder is having dollar or not dollar? Placeholders, guys. We keep dollar, huh? No. Floor bracket key or dollar is there. How we convert in one day, guys? Yeah. Tell me here. What is the one I have? Random dot value. What dot value, guys? Random dot value. Spring spell mistake. Random, right now only, na? Yeah, is server MS I'm taking instance ID also. Yeah, that's good. Okay, come to what? This. Okay, here what is there? Array, client, we are not going to take multiple instance. There is no need of having that. Fine. If you want, you can take here also this one. Now I have to develop a REST controller over here or not there. But before that, enable discovery client is important or not there. Discovery client is required. Okay, that's good. Now tell me, right click new package. nt dot what? ms. com.nt.ms. Alright, I don't want to mix up client component code here. That's why I'm taking what? One more package. com.nt.client. Okay, first let me develop the client component only. Entire work of communication we complete here, guys. We just inject and enjoy the output, right? Class, tell me. Yeah. Yeah, what is that? Billing MS client component. I'm taking this one as what? Billing MS client comp. Yeah, tell me. At the rate component. Because I'm also making it as a Spring Bean, guys. I'm also making it as what? Spring Bean. Yeah, tell me, guys. I have to use this client component. I have to use the client component or not there to invoke the. I have to call this client component invoking the services of what? Other what? Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. I'm making inputs only. I'm expecting the result. The result. String result or response entity. From provider, I do expect what? A string or response entity. Response entity is string. public response entity string, guys. What is there? Public response entity string. Convinced or not, my dear? Come on, everyone. Public response entity string. Public response entity string, guys. Here, what is the story that we have to understand, my dear? Okay. Only one endpoint is there in the provider MS. What is there? Invoke do billing. Invoke what? Do billing. Yes or no, na, guys? Okay. For that one, it is expecting what, guys? It, some parameters are not there. It is definitely expecting some parameters to pass. But those parameters we have to pass along with the URL, right? You have to pass what? Along with the URL, right, guys? Okay. Expecting those parameters along with the URL. One. Yeah. Where is this? List string. List double prices. And what is next one? Double discount percent. Double discount percent. Yeah, we are ready with this story, guys. So here we need to inject one ready-made component called discovery client. It comes through auto configuration, guys. Discovery client. It simply comes through what? Auto configuration. Discovery client at the rate auto wide are not there. This discovery client object comes through what? Auto configuration. Are you getting my point? Uh, you need not to develop this one. Okay. Get target ms instances list. Target ms instances list. Okay. Yeah, tell me. List service instance. List si is equal to list service instance. List si is equal to what is equal to, guys? List si is equal to. Are you getting my point there, guys? List service instance. List si is equal to what is equal to? List si is equal to. Tell me. Client dot get instances. Client dot get instances. You have to pass instance name or not there. In this one, what is there? Billing ms service ID I am pass. It will get all the instances, my dear. Okay, though multiple instances are there, I'm planning to use only one instance. This is the problem. No load balancing. You have to explicitly select the instance. You have to explicitly select the instance. Okay. Get URL of the provider MS. Okay. Tell me. URL is equal to list si dot get off 0. List si dot get off 0. Are you getting my point? List si dot get off 0. Okay, get off 0. Tell me, get URL. Okay, it is not expecting URI. It is. Yeah, we got the URI or not there. Yeah, this will give me base URL or not there, guys. That service instance related base URL will come. That service instance related base URL will come. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on, everyone. Hmm. Okay, you will get base URL, gives base URL. Hmm. Definitely gives what, guys? Base URL. Hmm. Tell me next one. Hmm. Okay, now com complete the endpoint details. We need to complete the endpoint details or not there? Yeah. Yeah, tell me how to complete the endpoint details, guys. Hmm. Yeah, string URL is equal to string endpoint. String endpoint URL is equal to, tell me, URL plus, okay, slash billing API, slash billing API. Tell me next one, slash billing API. Slash, what is that? Calc bill amount. What is the calc bill? What is there? Calc bill. Tell me next one. Calc bill. Speak out, speak out. Next one. Calc bill. Calc bill. This is a calc bill. No, param list is what? Price list, price list. Parameter. Next one. Okay. Discount person. What is there, guys? Discount person. I'm in the URL, what is there? That one I have to pass now. In the URL, what is there? Price list and this. This one, na? That is, they are just variables, right? Okay. We got the complete endpoint URL. Yeah. Next, use REST template for communication. Use REST template for communication. Okay. Response entity string. Response entity string. Response is equal to. Response entity string. Response is equal to. Response entity string. Response is equal to. Tell me, guys. What is there? Response entity string. Response is equal to. Wait, Babu. Template dot. But we need to work with REST template or not there? REST template. Template is equal to. What is there? A REST template of. Template dot. What is there? Exchange. URL is ready. What is the method I am using? HTTP method dot get. HTTP method dot get. No body to pass. Are you expecting what kind of result, guys? String kind of result, comma. We have to pass parameters or not there. What are the parameters we have to pass? Prices. Then what is the one we have to pass? Discount person. Discount percent. What's the problem? No, in the place of Varox, is it Exchange is not allowing Varox? Is there is no Varox method? There is no Varox method, guys? It is no. Actually, I want to see this one as a Varox, right? Object Varox, but somehow it is having problem with that what double. It is having problem with that double. Hmm. The method exchange URI entity class T cannot be applied for this. We don't have exchange method taking arguments, guys. What is this? Why it is behaving like this? Is there na boss? Object URI variables. What is there? Object URI variables. Endpoint URL. Next one. HTTP method dot get. Next one. Entity. Right now, entity not there. Null. Response type. What is the response time we are expecting? String dot class. Object URI variables. Prices. What is the next one? That is a var. Discount percent. This is too much, ra. Same thing I passed earlier. And this is the problem. Okay, fine. What is the error? You are not returning the value. That is the error. Return response. Nice. Okay, now we are using client component, discovery client component to get the target MS instance. From there, I manually picked up the instance and got the URL, base URL. For the base URL, I am appending what? Remaining words of the URL. And by using exchange method, I have completed the communication or not there. But this we have to use where, guys? This we have to use in other place. What is there? REST controller or MS. New, what is there? New class. Tell me. Shopping cart. What is there? Operations. What, guys? Shopping cart operation. Shopping cart operations. That's good. Shopping cart operations. Operations. At the rate REST controller. At the rate request mapping. What is there, guys? Shopping API. What API, guys? Shopping API. This is my what? Shopping API. Tell me. Public response entity string. Response entity is string. Tell me, boss. Okay. Response entity is string. What is there? Shopping. What is there, guys? Shopping. Tell me, guys. Shopping. List string items. List double prices. List string items. List double prices. STRING. This is what? Get mapping. Okay. Purchase slash items slash what is there? Prices slash. Okay. Let the end user decide. Let the Let the parameter decide the discount. Let the parameter decide discount. What is there? Double discount. Yeah. To tell that these are should be mapped. Path variable. Next, path variable. What is there, guys? Path variable, path variable. Everyone getting my point here, guys? Path variable list string items, path variable list double prices, path variable double discount, path variable double discount. Hmm. Tell me here, where is the story that we have to follow, guys? Get mapping, purchase all this stuff. Hmm. Okay, fine. Invoke target MS. What MS, guys? Target. But first of all, let me inject a client component, guys. Yeah, billing, billing MS client component. What is this? Client component at the rate auto. What's there? At the rate auto. So we are trying to invoke or not there? Yeah. Prepare message having okay items and prices. String message is equal to arrays dot to string of items. Arrays dot to string of items dot dot dot. Arrays dot to string of prices. Arrays dot to string of items. Arrays dot to string of what? This. Okay. Oh, already list. No, I thought it's array. Fine. 1 minute, 1 minute. It's already list, guys. List will have automatically this. List dot to string dot dot dot. And if it is array, we have to go for it. It is a list now, boss. Prices dot to string. Understanding? Yeah. Okay, we got message having source. Yeah, okay. Now tell me, guys. String destination message is equal to client component dot invoke billing. What is there? Invoke billing. Tell me. Prices. Next what? Discount. Passed or not there? But that actually gives response entity object. When you say get body, you will get destination message, guys. This is source message. This is destination message. If I can display both messages together, I can give the feeling. Okay, source MS is invoking target MS or not there. Return response entity object. Array, return response entity object. Tell me. Return new. Where is this? Response entity string. MSG dot dot dot. 1 minute. We'll use some other symbol. Destination MS. HTTP status dot work. What dot okay, guys? HTTP status dot work. Comfortable, guys? What client component is doing? Submitted target MS, get the bunch of instances, selected one instance. Here, no automatic load balancing. Manually, you have to pick up the instance, right? From there, base URL got completed endpoint URL using exchange method communicated. Some more result is coming. That result I am using source consumer MS are not there, guys. At the end, I am displaying both results together are not there, guys. Okay, now I just want to confirm this instance is executing with what? String instance ID.
కంటిన్యూ చేయమన్నారు సార్ పైన ల్యాబ్ ఖాళీ లేదు అంతా కంటిన్యూ చేసి ఈ ల్యాబ్కి వెళ్తారు ల్యాబ్ ఖాళీ లేదు
ఓకే
వాళ్ళని 10:55 అట్లా వస్తారు మనకి 11 దాకా ఉంది వీళ్ళకి వెళ్తాం
తక్కువ మందిగా ఉంది. Private string what? Instance ID. Yeah, tell me guys. Where is this? At the rate value. Dollar. Where is this? At the rate value. Dollar. Where is this guys? Yeah, we have Eureka dot. What is there? Eureka dot. Instance dot. Instance hyphen ID. Eureka dot instance dot instance hyphen ID. I'm also keeping what guys? Instance. I'm also keeping what guys? Instance ID. Where guys? That's one? Yeah. I just want which instance of server is giving the service. That's sir, you've taken parameters as item prices, something like this, right? This is taking what? Parameters as what? Item, prices, discount, something like this. Sir, how does it work out, sir? Right, boss? How does it will work out? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Now let's see what we can do here. Billing MS client component. This is there. Billing MS client component. This is there. This is client. This is what? MS. All are ready. Now we have to execute the things are not there. First we have to start Eureka server now, my dear. I hope I wantedly taken with parameter to give some dynamism to the project. Right click guys. Okay, let's start the Eureka server. Let's start the Eureka server. Yeah, next one. Billing MS. I'm starting the billing MS. Okay, first instance. Go to billing MS resources. First instance is running on 9090. Okay, once that is executed, change the port number. Change the port number. Right click. Java application. Now, second instance is created or not there? Definitely, second instance is created or not created? Okay. Definitely, second instance is created. That's good. Yeah. Tell me next one. Shopping cart MS, consumer MS, guys. What is there? Shopping cart MS, consumer MS. Okay. Let's see what we can do there, guys. Shopping cart MS, here is what? Consumer MS. Let's run this also. Java application. Oh, error has come. Could not resolve the placeholder. Placeholder is wrong. Where Eureka dot instance hyphen id. This is there or not there was application dot properties. Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute is right. It's right. Okay. This is not possible because we have not taken instance ID in the consumer MS. We have taken instance ID in what? Provider MS, right now? So this injection we should do in provider MS or consumer MS? Provider MS, because there only instance ID is there for provider MS, right? Okay. Whatever bill amount has come there, you try to display the instance. Because multiple instances are there for provider MS, not the consumer. Fine. Freshly you stop everything, guys. You stop everything, guys. That's good. Eureka server run as, where is this? Java. Billing MS, guys. Right click. Tell me. Run as Java application. Okay, first instance is running on 9091 because first already I started on 9091. Okay, now I'm starting second instance 9092. Right click, run as Java application. Second instance I am taking what? 9092. Okay, that's good. Yeah, tell me next one. Shopping cart MS. What MS, guys? Shopping. Run as Java application. We are now ready with what? Shopping cart MS. That's good. Okay. Now we have to test. We can test through Postman also, here also. That's up to you. Both are get mode request now, boss. Fine. 8761. Total three instances. Total three instances, but I'm seeing only one instance. Billing MS, we started two instances or one instance, guys. Oh, billing MS only one instance. Okay, that's a 9092. Okay, that's good. This is what MS port number, right? No, array, we changed it in a wrong place. That's a mistake happened. We changed it in a wrong place. This is not the one. I think this is the one, right? Okay. 9092. Okay. Right. This is shopping, guys. Yeah. Billing MS, we have to run one more time or not then. I hope you understood where we have gone wrong. Say refresh. Say what? Refresh. Okay. Now I'm coming to shopping MS, guys. 8080. What is there? Shopping API. Shopping API slash purchase slash. Okay. Now tell me, you have to pass list of shopping item as a comma separated values. Yeah. Shirt, trouser, jacket. List of items are passed slash. Prices you have to pass 2000, 2000. 2,400, 4,000. Come on. And I'm expecting 20% discount. List of jackets, list of prices, list of, okay, what is the discount? Enter key. What is there? Enter key. We are getting exception. Fine, no problem. Let's see where is the exception. What is this? Or bad request. Bad request means what? Some problem in the URL are not there. Some problem in the URL. Yeah, did I give any spaces here, guys? Not there. That commas it is not taking properly. Am I right? It is not taking those commas nicely. Path variable list passing them are not there. Is there any problem in the URL? No. Calc bill. Yeah, this is the problem coming. Percentile 5, 2000, percentile this, percentile this. Okay, 20. Why those percentiles are coming, I don't know. Uh, Internally converting, but it is not sub. 1 minute. Let's not try from, because other day we have given this list of values from Postman. It is coming nicely or not? Okay, let's try with Postman. Because other day we have given list of values as a comma separated values, right? And we are doing the same thing here. Nothing great we are doing. And in one scenario, we have given list of values. They're using array there. No list. List, everything is same, Rabav. Fine, whatever it is, tell me. Blank collection. What's there? Blank collection. Boot MS ROS02. What's the batch code? 1103. 1103. Here is what? Add request. What is there? Request one. Add request one. Copy this. Say what? Paste. Okay, fine. I don't use all this stuff. Here is what? HTTP. HTTP colon slash slash. What is there? Slash slash. Localhost 8081 shopping API purchase. Shut comma trouser comma this. Okay. Enter key send button. Okay. Problem with parameters, huh? Mhm. 9091 calc bill. It is taking why those percentages? That's the question. No, comma is coming, worst fellow. Comma is coming. It is converting. It's not. Comma is still coming. It's not like that. Comma is not coming, right? In one example of rest, we have taken list. It seems taken a. What is that example? Anyone having idea? Nora. No, no, we have to pass. No, other day we passed, boss. It's not like that we have not passed. No, it should be okay, right? Shirt trouser this 20. But why they are not going and storing? That's a question mark. 1 minute. It is saying that bad request. Bad request means what? URL is incomplete, right? 1 minute. Yeah. Calc bill, billing API slash calc bill, price list and what? Discount percentage. Okay. In the URL also, uh, which one? No, request param, no. No, yeah. Other day we have taken path variable. We have tried with path variable. Yeah, why? That's a question mark now. Why it is failing to convert? Yeah, system dot 1 minute. Out dot println. Let me check. Price list is coming. Price list dot plus. No, no, no. That's fine. But see, up to purchase, it's coming nicely. While invoking what? Destination only problem is come. Just let me check whether they are coming or not. Discount percentage. Okay. Here, what is their provider application? What application? Provider. Okay. That's good. Stop everything. Stop everything. Yeah. Similarly, check shopping cart. Similarly, check shopping cart. Here also, what is there? Items coming or not? Tell me next one. Prices coming or not? Next one, discount. Discount. I just want to check whether they are coming properly or not there, guys. I'm just interested to check whether, okay. First, we'll take a single instance only. Once communication is successful, we'll deal with what? Multiple instances. Where is this? Move to MS. First, what is the server we have to start? Eureka server. Run as Java application. Run as Java application. This is my Eureka server. Next one, billing MS. What MS? Billing. Run as Java application. Shopping MS. Run as Java application. Challenge is not in communication. Communication happening. Passing those list of items and list of prices. We'll see everything. No, we have not added listed out of anywhere. Did we use listed out of anywhere? No. Click on send button. Yeah, definitely exception is expected. See, it's happily taking jacket slash three values. This is okay. Let me check both guys. Billing MS. In this billing MS, communication started and not started. That means values are not coming to billing MS. So values got stopped in what? Shopping MS itself. The values got stopped in shopping MS itself. The biggest known issue is very simple, guys. When I keep in no in the list brackets, when I call toString, when they source to destination, those brackets are extra or not? Say something, boss. From source to destination, somehow those brackets are extra or not there? What is the problem? The problem is source to destination. When they are stored in source list, when they are stored in what? Source list. What's extra? Brackets are extra. Source, okay, for item names, brackets, I don't problem. But for item prices, brackets are there, na boss. So before sending, I have to remove those brackets are not there. Come on. Before sending, I have to remove those brackets are not there. So that is the challenge that we are facing. That's why those percentile symbols are coming. Representing brackets, what's coming? Percentile symbols are coming. Okay, I have a simple solution. Don't worry. See, that's why debugging is very important in life. Stop everything. Stop everything. Okay, I have a simple solution. Where is this? Bill operations. Here, what is there? I am passing. Okay, not this. Shopping. This is the shopping, right? Hmm. This is the shopping. Okay, before passing, invoke do billing. Invoke do billing. Client component dot invoke do billing. Go to this method. Client component. Price list discount is there. We are passing just prices and discount percentage. But if you pass prices, what's happening, guys? Brackets are coming. Okay, then what should I do? What should I do? Convert. 1 minute. Convert. Convert the price list into what list, guys? Price list into string. String and remove brackets. Remove square brackets. These brackets we have to remove are not there. Come on, guys. By default, that is coming. Tell me. String. Tell me, guys. String. Prices info is equal to. Prices info is equal to. Tell me. Prices dot to string. Okay. Replace. What, guys? Replace. Replace square bracket open with empty string. Dot replace. Come on. Okay. Square bracket closing with empty string. Are you getting my point? Working brain. Use brain. Fine. On safe side, I'll print once to check whether it is properly coming or not. Okay, now tell me, I have to pass prices or prices info na? Prices or prices info. Anyhow, commas we are keeping. Only I am removing what? Brackets. So that solves the problem or not there? Fine. Okay, guys. Nothing. Sometimes it happens and we have to be careful. Yeah. Debugging is very important. Solution. Once you know the problem, giving solution is not a great thing. But debugging is very important. See, when you pass comma separated, good, but brackets also coming extra. I think everyone got into the problem. I hope so. Understood the problem. Why I'm removing those brackets? Yeah, then what is there? Billing MS, target MS, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. This is my consumer MS, guys. Run as Java application. Yeah. Tell me, everything is same. Out. Still error? Uh, no, items we are not passing to destination. Na? Only prices we are passing to destination. Are we passing items to destination? Okay, consumer MS. Fine. One more problem might have come. We'll sort out that also. 500. Okay. 500 request. Okay. Why this extra space, Ra? 2000. Okay. This percentile is coming extra. Okay. Fine. Go to client component. No, no. See, here extra space is coming. Did you notice it? Did you notice it, guys? Here extra space is coming. No problem. I think we solved the problem almost. You have to eliminate. Actually, what is happening? No, brackets are removed. That's good. Brackets are removed, but between the elements, some spaces are coming, right? Hmm. Okay, 1 minute. Don't stop everything. Just stop what? Consumer MS. Just to stop consumer MS. Okay. Consumer MS client component, guys. Here is the client component. Okay. Tell me. Dot replace. Dot replace. A single string. Empty string. Empty, empty string with what? Is it possible? That's okay. Second, same thing, Haura. Replace is not passing, Ra. Those spaces came between. Spaces not came at the end. Spaces came in between, right? Spaces came where? In between or at the end? Now I am trying to replace what? In between spaces. I'm trying to trim in between spaces, right? Okay, on safe side. And extra spaces at the end also I'm trimming them. Trim will trim or leading and trailing spaces are not there. Okay, fine. That's good. Okay, this is what? Consumer MS. Yeah, we are almost in the final stage. We are almost in the final stage. That's good. Click on what button? Send button. We are okay. Right. No problem. Where is this? Consumer MS. This time, what is the issue? This time, what is the issue? 200, 2400 gone. No space. Trimming is done. Spaces are gone. Here what's coming? 2000, 2020, 20. Yeah, it's good now. Right now, no, all problems are solved. Billing API. Yeah, it's good only now, guys. Why it is saying problem? 1 minute, 1 minute. Where is this? Cart MS. Yeah, 500 error. What is that 500 error? Request URL temporary discount percentage for method param of type method param double not present. Double not present. Just a minute. Go to this billing operations. Discount percent. Discount percent. What is there? Discount percent. Is that coming as a stringer? We are passing as a double. In source, are we passing it as a double or string? We are using primitive double. Okay, let me take here also primitive double. Let me take here also primitive double. They have taken primitive double or wrapper double, boss? No. What is there? Discount. This is the problem, rah. Discount. That's why it is saying they're not there. Good observation. Yeah, here also discount. I think now problem is solved. 25 also. Discount. I think everything is done. Yeah, fine. Let's stop everything. I think right now problem with the source is gone. Now problem has come in what? Destination. Some path variable is missing, right? You are supposed to pass but not pass. Okay. Eureka server run as a Java application. Eureka server run as a Java application, guys. Yeah, tell me. Billing MS, guys. Run as a Java application. Yeah, next one. Shopping MS. Run as a Java application. Run as a Java application. That's good. Okay, hope so. All problems are sorted out. Uh, yeah, what is the problem, guys? Billing MS. Is there any exception? No. Any exception in the shopping MS? Yes. Array index out of bound. Somewhere in collection. Array index out of bound. Where, guys? Billing client component 23. Uh, one instance is there, na? We have one instance. First one should come. No, earlier this is not a problem. Did I not start destination MS billing? Started or not started? Started. Interesting. Interesting. 1 minute. List SI dot get zero. Yeah, list SI dot get zero dot. Yeah, what I'm doing, 1 minute. Same thing we have done now, boss. Is there any billing MS? Yes, there. URL is equal to list SI dot get of zero. One in service instance is taken. 1 minute, 1 minute. Which service instance is imported? That's important. Cloud dot service instance. Which URL is imported? Util dot list. Which URI imported? Okay. This URI URL problem. SI dot get instance. No, that should not be a problem, guys. We are doing the same thing, na? Check it out. List SI service instance, right? Is it cloud related service instance? Yes. Okay. From there, we are selecting one thing. From there, we are getting what? URI. Okay. We'll also do the same thing. Wait a minute. Why all this headache? Service instance. What is there, guys? Instance is equal to list SI dot get off zero. What dot get off zero, guys? List SI dot get off zero. Fine. Wait a minute. We'll do and we'll go. Okay, don't worry. String endpoint URL is equal to instance dot get URI plus everything. Right? Fine. Okay, we stick it to the same thing. Yeah. One last time we'll try. I think problem should be solved. Run as Java application. We are ready with what? Eureka server. Then billing MS. Run as Java application. Okay. Billing MS also ready. Shopping MS. Run as Java application. Why index is not coming? Run as Java application. That's good. Yeah. Hmm. Click on what? Send button. Okay. Eureka server started. This is also started. Shopping MS also started now, my dear. Yes. Could not send request. Could not send request. Fine, no problem. Where is this shopping MS? What MS, guys? Shopping MS. Hey, what is this? Ah, index zero na. No indexes are coming. 1 minute. Okay, I think it's target MS application dot properties. Any special words are added? Billing MS only. 9092. Register with Eureka server, right? This is right. Okay, go to shopping MS. Go to shopping MS client. shopping MS client. I typed list of instances came. Uh, yeah, we'll check that. We'll check that. Give me 5 minutes, guys. We are in the final stage, but it is giving hand. 0928081, right? Instance is created, but it is saying that no instances are there. Hmm. No, no, no. I think no, it's there. Okay. Discovery client. Cloud dot client dot discovery client. Discovery client. Cloud dot client dot discovery client. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Why? Wait a minute. Application dot properties. Don't take any instance ID for the time being. Building operations controller. Comment that. Okay. For the timing, don't go by instance ID. We are taking only service ID. यारे क्या हो रहा रे? Okay, one last time we'll try. Otherwise, we'll see tomorrow, right? Eureka server run as Java application. Eureka server run as a Java application. No, the question is why zero? Because already. Now the question is, it's is it is displaying the data nicely. Okay, fine. Yeah, Eureka server. Next one, shopping MS, billing MS. Okay, billing MS. Here is the story. Right click, run on Java application. See, major problem is solved. Now it is giving silly error. Instance, though instance is there, it is saying instance is not there. Okay. Uh, Consumer MS, guys. Run as a Java application. Say what? Refresh. Are we passing everything nicely? Yeah. Click on send button. Click on send button. I think still the same problem. Index out of bounds exception, index 0. Wait a minute. Shopping, 1 minute. Shopping cart operation 31. 31. Invoke do billing, right? This is actually rising exception. Here no index is there. That internally calls what, guys? MS. Collections.empty list.get. It's saying that I'm getting empty collection, right? Hmm. 23. Here is what? 23. Now let me check application dot properties. Billing MS. Letter not. Okay. Tell me client. Billing MS. What is there? Billing MS. Method we got client dot. 1 minute, 1 minute. Sometimes it will test our patience. Don't lose it. Give me a few minutes. Because problem is this: get instances, listed dot service instance, listed dot service instance, list SI, billing MS, billing MS. Go to application dot properties. Okay, that's good. Fine. One last attempt, guys. On safe side, to recognize the changes nicely, build the project once. Clean and build the project. Sometimes it won't take the changes effectively, right? 1 minute. It's the last attempt. After that, I don't stop you. We'll see tomorrow. I'll solve in front of you only. Don't worry. Yeah. I'm restarting Eclipse IDE once so that sometimes we do changes, but it won't take the changes. Very interesting. Array, how come list of instances are missing? I am still. It's showing Eureka server not taken by client comp. That's the interesting thing, na? Don't worry, I don't solve problem at home. I'll solve in front of you only. We'll see. Tomorrow, as it is, I'll keep it and I'll solve in front of you only. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Right click, guys. Right click, guys. Yeah, ID is taking time, huh? Run as a Java application. Yeah, this is ready. Billing MS is ready. Java application, billing MS is ready. Now I have taken shopping MS, guys. Run as a Java application. Fine. I think this part is clear now. Port number, everything. Click on send button. Billing MS, no issue. Every problem is in shopping MS. In shopping MS, 23 line number. Uh, no, we have to learn one by one. Now you cannot directly use. No, it's not like that. It should work. Discovery client also should work. 1 minute. Is my problem a version problem? I will check once. I'll go to pom.xml, guys. Give me 1 minute because I'm not digesting the fact how it is not working. See, earlier genuine problem is there, right? 3.5 point. Okay, 3.5.1. I'm taking the version as what? 3.5.1. See, earlier that the brackets genuine problem, but everything is perfect. Okay, now I'm changing the version of the MS. Maybe bug in the version also. We cannot say anything. There's a chance of having bug in the software also, right? Yeah. Okay. Now go to, don't touch anything. Go to client. Stop this. Go to client, stop this. Only client version only I changed. Run as a Java application. Run as a Java application. Refresh, guys. Two instances have come. Click on what? Send button, guys. Yeah. Coming. So problem is not with me. Problem with what? Version of the Spring Boot. So we find a bug in the Spring Boot or not there. But taken time, that's a different story, right? But generally we don't question software, right? So we are thinking where we have gone, where we are. Initially genuine problem, conversion problem is there, we solved it. After that issue in solid or not there. So what you learned from today's class? Patience. How patiently I have analyzed that experiment, this experiment, out of. So the more tension you get, more mistakes you do. More patience you show, one or other solution work out. Don't lose your temper when problems are coming. Problems are definitely comes, but you should not lose your temper, right? Thank you. We'll discuss more on these kinds tomorrow. Tomorrow, regular timing. So thank you.